So azaleas are members of the rhododendron family. As such, they need to be grown in ericaceous conditions, by which I mean slightly acidic or neutral soil. They will not grow in chalky conditions. They will grow on clay soils, providing you're got a pH of about neutral. So that's the first tip. Secondly, azaleas prefer to be in full sun. Dappled shade is fine, but they won't flower quite as well. To get them looking like they are behind me on the stand, you need to grow them in absolutely full sun, out in the open, with plenty of space to grow. And my third tip is that many people have ancient deciduous azaleas in their gardens, and they've grown up this tall, and they're looking a bit scruffy, and everybody wonders what they can do with them. I can assure you that wait till they finish flowering, wait till the new growth hasn't quite come, and cut them right down. You can cut them right down to about 2 feet. They love it. They will sprout again. You won't get any flowers for a couple of years, but you'll have rejuvenated and restored your plant in a way that you wouldn't believe possible. So you can afford to be brave.